Gruyères. Gruyères is a picturesque medieval town located on a hill, offering you spectacular views of surrounding mountains and valley. The town welcomes you with its cobblestone streets full of restaurants, cafes, and shops. In the middle of the main street, you can find a beautiful fountain decorated with flowers. The must-see attraction is 13th century Gruyères Castle, which offers you an alpine panoramic view from its terrace. You can admire the romantic French garden behind the castle, while inside you can find an art gallery or a knight's hall painted with frescoes. If you come in winter, enjoy skiing or snowboarding at Molson Mountain, equipped with 60 passenger cable cars. 30 kilometers of slopes are awaiting you. Did you know that Gruyères is known for its delicious namesake cheese? At La Maison du Gruyère, a cheese factory, you can watch the cheese-making process live. This cheese is often used for making ham and cheese croissants. If you've enjoyed this video and want to see more in the future, leave a comment, give a like, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.